Okay, you guys, this is something that I have been waiting on for a long time. I have been going back and forth to Hobby Lobby website to try to make sure I get this when it go on sale. Every time it went on sale, I couldn't buy it at that time because maybe I was in the midst of buying something else or purchasing something else. But this time I caught it on sale. And let me just tell you the backstory of this. You know, I went to Hobby Lobby for Christmas to get my ornaments, and I seen this, and I told my god sister when we was in Hobby Lobby, I was like, I want this. And she was like, get it. And I was like, I want it. But she was like, get it. And I know she was gonna buy it for me, but I was like, no, I want to buy it on my own. So yeah, I waited till I caught it on sale again. I'm gonna show you a clip of it. And okay, you guys, here go my dream mirror. This mirror I have seen in stores, and I was gonna get it that day, but I didn't. But yeah, I am pulling the gun on this mirror today. It is originally $129, but it is on sale for 59 bucks. So we are getting this mirror today. Yes, yes. This is my favorite mirror. I even went in stores and looked at it, rolled it around. I was like, oh, okay. That's about the right size that I want it to be. So we are pulling the gun on this mirror today. I am so happy. I'm finna show you guys me opening it. So enjoy the opening, and maybe I'll show you some lights that I got also. So it might be a lot of haul. Let's go. So we are opening this. Hopefully it do not fall. It's well packaged. Oh. So it's well packaged. Oh, I'm enjoying the bubble wrap on here. So this is what I wanted. Oh.
I'm trying to get you.
You see it? So this is my gift to myself. This thing is huge. So you know my wall here. Show my wall. The wall here is where this gonna go on. This here. And I might, when I paint my downstairs again, I might paint this mirror whatever color I paint my wall. But for now, it's finna go on this wall. So, yeah, the unveiling of the mirror. Unboxing of the mirror from where from? Hobby Lobby. Okay, good. That is the mister. Trying to put up the darn mirror that I just bought.
adjust if you need to.
I don't think they need to be adjusted. Okay. I like it. I like the way these two things right here are the same. This is the new mirror from Hobby Lobby, you guys. So happy, so impressed, so proud of the hipster. Yeah, the manzy, he did that. Love, love, love. See you on the next one. Okay, I told you guys that I was going to show y'all these lamps that I bought. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. That's Ishmael box. He listens to music on. It posted one on his TV. I bought it for him. Okay, you guys. I bought this lamp here. And I don't know why I bought it, because I am not the cleanest person in the world. And whoever get some lamps like this, you know you have to clean these things. Like, if anything happened, let me show you how it looks. I bought this and I changed my mind about it, but you know, I didn't send it back. I think the girl said she wanted it in her room. And I'm like, who gonna clean these things when these gems get nasty? There's some people don't think about when they buy stuff. But that's what I found out. So that's the first set of lights that I bought. Let's just put that over there. And we'll put it back in the box in a minute. This is the second set of lights. Well, this light right here was gifted to me for my outside. For the outside. Oh my God. I hate I tore that box like that. For outside. And we tried to put this up, but something going on with our wiring. Oh, excuse me. But isn't that cute? That's real cute. Oh. Something going on with the wiring, so we had to, you know, we got to get somebody out here to see what's going on or whatever with that light. But we had to run a whole new wire or something. So that's that one. And this is the last and final light, guys. I'm not going to take this one out of the box because I think this will be my kitchen light. Do you see that? I'm so in love with this light. This will be my kitchen fixture for the kitchen when we get finished doing whatever we doing in there. So yeah. Silver box. Okay. I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, you guys, that is the look for the day. So happy, so proud of this mirror.